How to promote affiliate links on YouTube for affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can promote your affiliate links on YouTube. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so you definitely want to stick this one out right until the end. And here's what we're going to cover in this video. We're going to be talking about how to drive free traffic to your affiliate links. And then we're going to talk about, how you can get that traffic that you send to buy from you. We're also going to talk about how to get eyeballs on your offer every day on autopilot without having to pay for expensive ads. And then we're going to talk about how to keep viewers watching your videos over and over again. And just so you know, my name's Andy Mattis. I'm not just some fly-by-night person. This is something that I do. So I've got some income screenshots up on the screen here just as a bit of social proof. But again, this video isn't about me. This is about you. And I've been able to help tons of people create similar results for themselves. These are a couple of my students, Pascal Kurz and Dave King. As you can see, Pascal over here is making commissions. Dave was making commissions. And, Pascal making another commission there. And somebody else that we call Srinivasan making commissions there as well. So, for more information on how to do this stuff, guys, I recommend clicking on the first link down in the description below and checking out the free training on my Ollie framework for affiliate marketing. If you're new to the channel, my name's Andy Mattis. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I drop on how you can make money online, sack your boss, and live a life of true financial freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So my main goal with this is to really help you build a full-time passive income business so you can have financial freedom and time to do the things that you love the most, whether that be going away on holiday, spending time with the family, whatever that may be. Now, I create videos on the following topics, which is making money online, affiliate marketing, traffic, and automation. So first things first, we're going to talk about, how to drive free traffic to your affiliate links. So the very first thing that you're going to need to do is to pick a niche. Okay. So a niche is just a selected group of people, and there are three main niches within the online space, and they are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay. So you want to select one of those, and within those niches, there are multiple sub niches. Obviously, affiliate marketing is just a sub niche within the wealth space, right? And once you've selected a niche, you really want to do some market research so that you can understand their pains and problems. And the reason that we do this is so that we can tap into those pain points and educate them on the solution to their problems. Okay, so like, what are their pains? What are their problems? Like, what are those burning issues that are keeping them awake at night? When you understand this stuff and you incorporate into your marketing, it is super powerful because it grabs the viewer's attention and really educates them on why what you're selling is a solution to their problem. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we need to select a product to promote in the niche. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I've gone over to JVZoo, all right, and I'm going to show you how to select a product, so don't worry about that. But presuming that you've already selected a niche, what we want to do is we want to go over to affiliates over here on the left-hand side, and then we want to go down to find a product. Okay. All right. So let's just say, for example, that we're in the affiliate marketing space. So we want to basically type in, affiliate marketing. You could put like course there or something like that. All right. And then all we've got to do is basically scroll down. As you can see, you got the commissions over here on the right-hand side. And just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using this one here. 75% commissions, 0% refund rate, 4.4% conversions, over 50 plus sold. We're going to take a look at this one. Okay, so you would get paid $15 if you manage to make a sale. And basically what you would do is obviously you would click on get approved. You'd write a quick message in there to the seller. I've just got into affiliate marketing or such and such. I'd really like to promote your products using YouTube or something like that. Click that I'm not a robot and basically request approval. Once they approve you, or if they approve you, you should get something called a unique affiliate link, right? So that's basically the link that you're going to be using to promote the product, right? So you want to pick a strategy to be able to promote this product now that you've got that link. So this is either going to be long form content or YouTube shorts. Okay. So I'm just going to quickly go into the pros and cons of both long form content and short form content so that you can understand. And the pros of long form content is this is where your best quality traffic is going to come from. Just purely because you really get the opportunity to build up the know, like, and trust factor with your audience. And if you can keep viewers watching your videos, then that's going to be great for you to generate traffic. It builds more of a relationship with your audience. Like I just said, it really builds up that know, like, and trust factor. And the evergreen videos will continue to work over and over again. Now, if you just think about an old song that you like on YouTube, right? It could have been uploaded 15, 20 years ago, ago, and it's still getting views today. So you really want to be thinking of YouTube as digital real estate, because those videos will continue to work over and over again, especially if your channel starts to grow. The cons are you typically won't get as much traffic as YouTube Shorts to begin with. So maybe you want to start over there, but that's completely up to you. Right, the pros and cons of YouTube Shorts is, the pros are YouTube will serve you a lot of traffic very quickly to your short videos. If you already have long form content, then your channel will be recommended to your short viewers, which is great. Okay, so if somebody goes and watches one of your YouTube Shorts, it's highly likely that one of your longer form videos will then pop up on their home feed, and then they get the opportunity to go and watch that as well. The pros with YouTube Shorts is you can do it all from your phone. So you don't have to, worry about purchasing any expensive technology or anything like that. You can do it all from your phone. You can distribute shorts across multiple different platforms, such as, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, without having to, create different pieces of content. You can just use that same piece of content and publish it across all 4 different platforms. And then YouTube Shorts are also evergreen. So these videos will continue to work over and over again. And like I said, it is digital real estate. So these videos will never stop working. The cons are shorts don't build up as much know, like, and trust factor as long form content. You think you've only got 60 seconds to grab that person's attention. So there's not really much time to build a relationship there. So the next thing is for you to figure out what types of videos you're going to make. And the best way to do this is to go over onto YouTube and basically pick like a video topic using keywords. Okay, so I'm just going to give you an example here. Let's say, for example, I wanted to create videos on affiliate marketing for beginners, or for the purposes of this video, how to promote affiliate links on YouTube. As you can see, I've already been searching that stuff over there. And once you find videos that you want to use, you can basically add them to a spreadsheet. So I use a little tool over here called vidIQ, which is absolutely brilliant. It kind of tells me, how popular this search term is. As you can see, there's not a lot of competition. The competition over here is quite low. The volume of people searching is there at medium. So this is a really great tool for you to be able to do your keyword research. So there, you can create a free account on vidIQ. I'll leave a link down in the description below. You can click on that. You can create a free account. It's completely free. It's not going to cost you anything, and it's just a really handy tool to use on YouTube. So again, the best way to find video ideas is to really come over to YouTube and just basically start searching different video ideas which pop into your head. You could put on YouTube Shorts. And once you find video topics that you like, I would get about 10 and I would just simply add them to a spreadsheet. Okay, so there you go. Create a spreadsheet and enter all of your video ideas. So creating the videos, I recommend hiring a video editor for better viewer retention, so that you don't have to, worry about the techie side of things. Viewer retention is going to be very important if you want people to be purchasing, if you want people to be watching your videos all the way through. Edits just really keep the viewers engaged on your videos. And I recommend using call to actions at the end of your videos. For example, click the link down in the description, check out the free training or something like that. Click the link down in the description and check out this affiliate product. It's great for such and such and such. Okay, you get the gist. So once you've done that, you want to upload the YouTube video to YouTube and add the affiliate links. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this stuff. So just move that one out the way. So you go over to YouTube over here and you click on that little camera with the plus sign and you basically click upload video. Okay, so now it's come up with upload video. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using a video which I already have saved. So 5 steps to make passive income with affiliate marketing. I will actually link to this one at the end of this video so that you can go and watch it. So all you do is you simply drag that one over onto here. All right, you want to make sure that your video title is actually saved in the actual video itself before you upload it. So as you can see, 5 steps to make passive income with affiliate marketing, and then it would automatically generate inside the title for you, so you didn't even have to type it in. 5 steps to make passive income with affiliate marketing. For the description, I'll have some stuff which basically automatically generates in there. I'm not going to go massively into the SEO on how to do all this stuff, but you just write a short description, 5 steps to make passive income with affiliate marketing. All right. And then just for the purposes of this video, let's say, for example, that you did have an affiliate link from over on JVZoo, right? You got an affiliate link ready. You would basically say, for example, sign up for a free account on, JVZoo, for example, right? And then you would simply just add the link in there. So it would be, HTTPS, whatever. This is, for example, is going to put link.com, right? And I'm not going to go massively into, the rest of it. Like I'll create a different video on how to do all the rest of that stuff. But, once you post this stuff, your video is then going to start getting views, and people, if you're using call to actions in your videos, people will then be clicking on your links, and then that will be sending traffic to your offers. Okay. So, add title with keywords to the video before uploading. Just mention that, and do the same with the thumbnails. You can go over to, let's just type in, if you do want to use thumbnails, guys, you can go over to fiverr.com, really simple. And then you can just type in YouTube thumbnail. All right. And as you can see, you can get a bunch of people to create you thumbnails for like roughly around £5. If you're in the US, it will obviously be in dollars, but quite cheap. It doesn't cost you an arm and leg to make thumbnails. That's what I recommend doing there. Okay. I've just lost where I was. Okay, so if you want me to guide you step by step on starting, growing, or scaling your affiliate marketing business, just like I've done with Srinivasan and done with Pascal Kurz, then I recommend clicking on the first link down in the description below and checking out the free training on my Ollie framework on how to do affiliate marketing step by step tutorial. My name's Andy Mattis, and I'm out.